Hello everyone and welcome to Tarver Academy. You're more than welcome to go check out full lessons at tarveracademy.com or go to the app, Tarver Academy. Should be out in the next week or two. Unless it's a week or two from now, then guess what? It's out. Search iTunes, Tarver Academy, and they'll have an app with all of it organized. You're more than welcome also to follow me at Tyler Tarver on Twitter, and you can tweet me pictures of examples and I'll do my best to answer them as quickly as I possibly can. Let's get started. Let's get started again. Alright, now what we have here is a triangle. What we're going to do is we're going to figure out a bunch of angle stuff based on this triangle, okay? Alright, so we're going to look at the triangle and we're going to look at what we already know. Okay, they've already told us that this right here is 56 degrees. Excellent. Alright, they told us that KPN is 44 degrees, which means KPN. Whenever you want to trace those angles, you got to go in order. KPN. KPN. Okay, if not, you're going to have the wrong vertex. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and label that 44 degrees that I know. So that is 44 degrees. Okay, now I know that is 44 degrees because I just said that. Now, I also know this angle right here. Okay, because if this is 90 degrees, it's split at 180. So 180 minus 90 is going to be another 90 degree angle. Okay, so now I've got a 44, a 90, and something I don't know but I can figure out. So all you do is you take your 90, you add 44 to it, it's going to be 134, then you subtract 134 from 180, and you're left with 46. Therefore that angle right there is 46 degrees. Now, we're trying to find, I'm sorry, I get ahead of myself, we're trying to find JLP, which is JLP. So pretty much we need to find this, correct? Well, guess what? We are going to have to find this angle and this angle to get this whole 180. Okay, so pretty much you can just figure out every angle in this whole triangle. Now, I forgot to mention, these two little guys are equal, okay? And now I'm going to put a little special green in the one we actually want. We want this angle right here, okay? Now, those are the same. We want green. Okay, so let's solve this little guy. Now, like I just said, that's 46 degrees right there. Well, these little lines, they both have one line. I'm sorry, these need two then, so that they're separate. Those both have one line, which means they're the exact same measure. That means this one has to be 46 as well. Guess what? If we put that line and that line together, we get that whole angle. Sorry, it's not a line. It's like a little arc to mark that those are the equal angles. Man, words are hard. Okay, so we're just going to add 46 and 46, which is 92. So this whole angle K is 92 degrees. We already know J is 56 degrees. That means we can find this whole angle L. Okay? How are we going to do it? Well, how many degrees does three angles in a triangle add up to equal? Give you a hint, it's 180. It's not a hint, it's really just telling you. So you got 92 and 56, so we add those two together, and you get, let's see, 6, that's 8. So it would be 148, is that correct? Okay, so we just subtract that from 180. So whenever we subtract those two, that would be 32 degrees. Where's my pen? There it is, 32 degrees. That means that what's left right here, in this angle right here, is 32 degrees. Now, guess what? I know these are equal, therefore I can split it. We just do 32 divided by 2 because they're equal. Those two marks that I put in late mean that. So that is 16. That is 16. I have a weird voice. So it means that's 16, and voila, that is 16, which is the angle we want. Okay? Now we can plug all those in everywhere and see if it fits, but guess what? It does. Unless you guys comment and tell me it doesn't, then I will go back and delete this video and act like this never happened. Alright? I would like to thank Brooke for putting in this question, and you're more than welcome to go to Twitter account right here at Tyler Tarver. Tweet me a picture and I'll try to help you as soon as I can. Remember to go to tarveracademy.com, share it with your friends, check out some YouTube videos of a bunch of lessons for geometry, and then hopefully pretty soon algebra and algebra 2, unless it's the very soon is in the future. Then that's already happened. Alright, thanks. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.